why your BP monitor is showing errors and how to fix them. Don't worry. Most error codes don't mean your monitor is broken. In most cases, they're simply telling you that the measurement conditions weren't correct. In this video, we'll explain the most common error codes on automatic blood pressure monitors and show you how to fix them. If you see ER6 on an arm monitor or E2/E4 on a wrist monitor, the device has detected movement during the measurement. Stay still, avoid talking, and keep your arm relaxed until the reading is complete. Seeing ER4? The cuff may be too loose or there may be an air leak. Make sure the air tube is securely connected and that the cuff fits snugly around your arm. If you're using a wrist monitor, keep your wrist at heart level throughout the measurement. Holding it too high or too low can affect the accuracy of the reading. If you see an ER1 error, check the batteries before assuming there's a problem with the monitor. Low battery power can sometimes cause unexpected errors or prevent the device from working properly. Replace the batteries with fresh ones and make sure they are installed correctly. If you get an ER2 or ER3 error, the monitor wasn't able to detect your pulse correctly. Take a deep breath, wait a minute, and try again. If the error continues, or if you see ER7 or ER8, contact customer support for assistance. Take a screenshot of this chart so you'll have it handy the next time you see an error code on your monitor. If you have any questions about your Paramed product, contact our support team by email. If you purchased your monitor through Amazon, you can also reach us there. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful health tips.